It's a happy day because Giorgio is here, and that means we're cooking with his beautiful cheese from Ep74. Which one have you brought in today?
Justin, today we bought the Caciottas, the full range of Caciottas.
Wow.
It's a simple cheese, super fresh. We do have 6 different variety.
And how are we going to prepare the cheese?
Well, today I will prepare in the more LTY, deep fried. So, no, in the reality, everything you fried become amazing.
So what's this cheese made from?
Well, this one in particular, there is 5. They are made with cow's milk.
Cow's milk cheese, yes.
And the buffalo caciotta is made with buffalo milk.
Of course, yeah.
We do make caciotta is a little cheese from cacio. Everyone now knows cacio, like a cacio e pepe recipe. So caciotta is a small cheese, small cacio.
Right, okay.
All right, so what are we going to do? I'm going to slice this. Can you help him with the herbs?
Yes.
And we're going to breadcrumb the caciottas. I'm going to slice to make sure we can have something.
So is this a cheese that you could eat just as is, straight from the fridge, or bring it to room temperature on a cheese platter? But it's also a fantastic cheese to cook with too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's fresh, it's yummy, you can give it to kids.
Does it hold its shape after you fry it, or does it get really gooey in the centre?
Gooey in the center, melting and stretching.
Oh, I'm going to like this, I think. So how are you cutting your...
Well, I just slice, and normally from a caciotta I make 3 slices, so I make about 100 grams each slice.
Okay. And you're just cutting them into rounds. I guess you can cut it into any shape you like, but we're going to serve this with a simple
little triangle.
Yeah.
If you have a kids' party,
yes,
you can do a little triangle, deep fry from them like a chicken nugget.
Exactly. So I've just got some hard herbs here, some sage, some rosemary, and some thyme, and I'm just going to finely chop that. And Giorgio, you want me to put this into the fresh breadcrumbs?
Normally we do this at home.
Yep.
I thought today I was just looking you and talk about cheese. Actually, you want me to cook my home recipe.
Exactly. You've come on the show many times and you show us how to make cheese from scratch, which is so exciting. But I want to know what Giorgio eats at home. So this is something that you have...
I want you to smell this truffle caciotta.
Let me smell this. Oh.
Well, that's very nice. We're using for our caciottas some Australian black winter truffle.
Okay.
Now come again the new season of the truffle.
Yes.
And it's very attractive. When we're producing this in the factory, it's fantastic. You can really feel this aroma.
Truffle and cheese, they're just the best, aren't they, together? And then truffle...
it's a fantastic matching, yeah.
Yeah, truffle, cheese, crumbed, deep fried. I'll tell you what, this is going to be very, very special. So a little bit of parsley, Giorgio, you want to put into the crumbs too?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else in the crumbs?
Well, in the crumbs, normally we put a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese too. Why not double cheese?
Always. Cheese everywhere.
There we go. And then I'm just going to mix with my hands, just distribute all those herbs and the Parmesan cheese. So we kind of are starting a bit of a production line here, just like at the cheese factory.
Correct.
We've got the crumbs, which will happen last, flour, that happened first, and then just in the middle here, some eggs. 3 eggs?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. And we'll crack that into a bowl, and I'll whisk that with a little milk.
Perfect.
And again, like you said, no salt required because we've got...
Well, the cheese has its own salt.
Exactly.
So in the reality, I will avoid to put extra salt.
Okay, and a little splash of milk.
Always.
There we go.
Milk and cheese and butter. This is my life. Often, when I have friends over, they see me cooking with butter. I say, Giorgio, you're Sicilian, you should cook with olive oil. I say, butter is the life.
That's why we're good friends. We love cheese and butter together.
Well, I'm supporting dairy farmers and dairy product, and I think butter also is very, very healthy.
Exactly.
For my personal opinion.
And speaking of dairy, all your cheeses are made with Australian milk.
We're using the best Australian milk we can source in Australia mainland, and the dairy farmers are actually doing an amazing job. They should be rewarded for that, looking after the environment. It's really, really doing a great job. We need to really reward them for what they're doing.
Absolutely, Giorgio. So now we're going to be crumbing this. Is this the right way?
You the master. You must have done before. Yes.
Okay, some egg.
Wash and breadcrumb.
Okay, and then into this beautiful breadcrumb. We'll sprinkle that over.
And normally we crumb twice, so I will suggest to pass again from the egg.
More egg.
More egg.
Oh, extra crispy, yeah?
Yes, also the it will protect it to start to run out the cheese, because once we put the cheese in the fry pan, the cheese will start to melt. So we don't want these to
split open.
Yes, losing the full caciotta inside the fry pan.
Okay, so we'll just make sure that's extra crumbed on all sides. And that's the first one done. Shall we fry the first one?
Absolutely. I think we got the oil ready.
Nice hot oil. Georgie, I'll pass to you.
Okay.
And then in it goes. Oh, yes.
Perfect.
And I don't think we're going to have enough with one. I think we should make some more.
Yes, let's make another one.
Okay. Oh, look at that.
Okay, this is the last one.
Yeah.
And we put it here, and we're ready to taste.
Okay,
The
so
best part of this.
I love this. And
Caesar.
just, I love how you're serving it just with a simple salad.
Well, you don't need much.
A little bit of oil, just a tiniest bit of olive oil.
And that's it. And we can put this here in the middle. Fantastic. And we can also, I'm super excited to show you how they look like.
Yes. Oh.
So
Woohoo.
it's gooey, it's...
Look at the cheese, Giorgio.
Look.
Look at that. I want to do that. Oh, yes. Stringy cheese.
Stringy cheese and fried caciottas for your kids, your friends, yourself, the best.
Fried cheese is just so nice. You know, I love the herbs. All the herbs and the parmesan in the crust. And this, it's such a lovely way to serve it with simple salad. That could be an entree, a main with a bit of bread.
Absolutely.
Nothing else required. Delicious gooey cheese. Oh, I love your cooking, Giorgio.
Always think about the kids, think about my daughters, and they love these fried caciottas as a snack. Because it's yummy, also it's tasty, and
Exactly.
at the end, yes, it's fried, but it's fried in olive oil, and the reality, the cheese is healthy, it's an healthy snack.
Look, we've got lettuce leaves with it. It's healthier.
Correct.
Cheers. Thanks, Giorgio.